Hey, what's up? Dennis here, full-time trader, consultant, and coach. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the DAX. Now, I'm going to be using a free part analysis process, which I teach people and coach people to use, combining it with multiple time frame analysis. Let me explain what that is. The first part is basic free pyramids of the primed trading process, which is called the past, the present, and the near future. So when it comes to the past, we're going to be checking for key resistance levels. We're going to be checking trend phases. Yeah, just key trading levels and trend phases pretty much. In the present, that's on the 4-hour chart, we're going to be checking out the current price action candles. We're going to look over our tools, price action, market theme, momentum. And basically in the near future, we're going to check how the news can be affecting the markets, the probabilities of price action, and the probabilities of market themes. We're going to combine all of that with the multiple time frame analysis, which means we're going to be starting on the weekly chart. And I'm going to clean this up for you here. We're looking at the DAX. The main thing we have here is a contraction pattern, which leads to a key rejection zone. Let's start with the rejection zones, both on the buying and the selling. The tools I'm using is the Dow Chain channel set to 30, and EMA set to 13, and the RSI set to 13. So clearly, pretty strong resistance right there. And we can see price action testing this resistance multiple times. 1, 2, and finally number 3. And you can see there is a reversal candle right there. And then there is a reversal candle right here. And then a big drop here last week on the DAX. Today we have some recovery, yesterday, today, and Monday. But I don't see that lasting too long because we do have a beautiful, beautiful contraction pattern right here. And this is a bearish reversal pattern that we use at my communities where I train and coach people. More importantly, we have RSI coming right there to the 70 mark. So combining these three, this is a beautiful sell setup, which we took last week and made some good money. We are continuing to sell this today because there are many reasons to do so, and very good solid indications to continue selling. Now, that's that for the upside. Now we're gonna get these levels here and just show you that this here is a nice low resistance, which found support right here. And I'm using the straight line of the Dow Chain channel here. We have this bullish move, rejection, and then push up. And then we had support, support, few little pushes out here with price action coming right back down. Support, support right here and here, and then support there, and then support there. We'll see how that works out this week. I think we should see a further push to the downside. And this is the way I'm going to get our take profit. We're going to take the bottom. We are going to take the top. And what we see here is the 50% line lines up beautifully with this level right here. And that's exactly what we're going to be targeting. 12,455.7. Moving down to the daily chart, let's see what's going on there. We can see price action again, beautifully finding support right there. And what we're doing now is we're retesting the 13 EMA, which is trying to create a crossover with the Dow Chain channel middle, and that usually signals to us a good entry to go short, but we need to see what happens today. On the data front, on the news front, today is the 5th of February 2020. We do have plenty of European services PMIs. We have a speech from the ECB president, and that's pretty much it from the Eurozone, and that could affect the DAX. If I do this here, we could have a resistance forming from this side, right there. Let me just fix it, boom. So I think we could find resistance on this level here. I will just change the color of this zone to purple so it stands out. And that's it. We are pretty much done. Now on the other side, we can see that 38%, 38.2 also comes close to this zone here. So we need to basically watch out a little bit for that. Let me just fix this. Get the top. And let's fix the bottom. There's the bottom. Perfect. So as I said, we're targeting the downside of the 50. We already have trades here and we're writing them. Now what we're going to do is finally move down to the downside here and see if we can re-edit anything and just make it look better and more effective for us in our decision making. So what we're going to do is take the tops here, just Let's move them a little bit and make sure that we are on the right side of this market. Um, what we want to do here is also grab in any kind of key trading levels, reversal zones, and so forth. So we can see this level here, right there, being a resistance multiple times, support here, sorry, resistance right there. So maybe that is our indication to go short. Now we have a strong bullish run from the DAX right now. The last 4-hour candle really pushing upwards here. But I think that could die out based on our analysis. Furthermore, what we want to see is a break of this little trend line here, and that would signal selling. That's pretty much it. That's all my reasons. I'm going short. We've got sentimentals. Let's see how the fundamentals work out. But RSI on the 4-hour is coming up pretty close to the overbought as well, and pretty close to this resistance zone here, which we can see is pretty strong based on the past and present. Um, so I think that that's our reversal area, and then we're expecting pretty strong drops on the DAX. Just over 6 minutes, I explained exactly why we're shorting the DAX using our multiple time frame analysis. And that's pretty much it. If you want to continue learning more, head over to pipsmatter.com and get in touch with me. And I'll show you exactly how I can turn you into a real trader with real skills. My name is Dennis, and I thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.